Find all horizontal and vertical asymptotes of this. So the vertical asymptote is very simple. So you take a denominator, make it equal to 0.
Yeah.
So when you solve this, what do you get?
X minus 4, x plus 5. No, sorry. X plus 5, x minus 4.
Yeah, x minus 5,
Yeah.
x plus 4 is equal to 0. So
Yeah.
x is equal to 5 or
X
x is equal to minus 4.
That's your vertical.
There are two vertical asymptotes.
Yeah, I mean these two are your vertical asymptotes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Horizontal asymptote?
Horizontal, since the denominator is greater, it's 0.
Y is equal to 0.
Yeah.
Okay, now this one.
So you do the same thing, 2x plus 6.
So vertical asymptote, you take the denominator equal to 0.
Yeah. Equal to 0. So that's 3. Minus 3. And then
Horizontal asymptote?
here numerator is greater, so there's no vertical asymptote.
No horizontal asymptote.
Sorry, no horizontal. Sorry.
It has an oblique asymptote, but
Oblique. I've heard that word.
oblique, yeah. Just graph it, you'll come to know.
Okay, like now?
Yeah. Yeah, when the power in the numerator is greater than that of the denominator, that's an oblique asymptote.
Right.
Now to find the oblique asymptote, you do long division.
Okay. Oh, I think we.
Yeah, we did this to change the form.
Yeah.
But that also used to find the oblique asymptote. Correct? Now what do? Take
X
this
squared.
x square upon
So
x square upon 2x. You do it on side. So
Yeah.
this cancels out. So half x basically.
yeah.
So multiply it. So that's how much? X
squared,
squared.
yeah. Minus
Plus 3x.
3, yeah. Plus 3x.
Subtract.
Change the signs. Minus 7x.
Now we
Bring
do
down the 4. Yeah.
so minus 7x upon 2x. Correct?
Okay, so 3.5.
Yeah, minus 7 upon 2.
Yeah.
So when you multiply this, you'll get minus 7x
And
minus 6 into
That's
7 over 2.
42.
21.
Yeah. 21.
Subtract it.
0.
And 25.
Yeah.
Correct? So what will you write it as? Quotient plus remainder upon divisor. So y is equal to, what's my quotient?
Quotient.
Half x
Half x, yeah.
minus 7 over 2.
Minus 7 upon 2 plus remainder 25.
25 upon divisor.
2x plus 6.
This part is the oblique asymptote. So oblique asymptote is y is equal to, what is it?
1 upon 2x minus 7 upon 2.
So you graph it, then you'll come to that, it will come exactly there. See? Graph the second one also. F1
0.5x
minus
minus
3.5. So it will come, that line will come there.
Okay.
So that's how you.
So
you
oblique asymptote, which is that, and you find it by doing long division.
long division.
That's
the quotient. The y is equal to quotient is your this.
Yeah, and you don't include the remainder.
Yeah. This one.
So this one.
Vertical asymptote.
X squared minus 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. So then that'd be 6 and no.
No, you'll have to solve it.
Yeah.
Solve
Quadratic
it.
equation.
Solve it.
With quadratic equation?
No, on your calculator.
Oh, okay.
This will come with the calculator.
This is calculator.
Or if it comes without and then come, but I mean that's it. But I don't think so. It will have b square minus 4 if we do, it won't have any real roots. B square, yeah, minus 4.
So this will be calculator.
So 4, yeah. No, if suppose it comes without calculator, 5 4s are 20. So minus 16, no real roots. So no vertical asymptote. It has no vertical asymptote.
So because it's minus, alright. From that rules that if it's minus, there's
it's
no.
that
If
graph
it's 0,
is
there's 1. If there's above 0, there's 2.
It has a horizontal asymptote.
Yeah.
What's a horizontal asymptote?
It's 1, right? The 0.
Y is equal to what? 3 upon 1.
3 upon. Oh, right. Because it's coefficient numerator divided by coefficient denominator.
Yeah.
Right.
So now sketch it. So you'll see that graph.
Wait, I just want to see one thing with the asymptotes. So wait, if I graph this,
Graph it.
yeah, graphed it, and then have
No. Graph the entire thing. Acha, graph means, if you graph this, graph the function. Why this is happening?
Okay. So this is the function.
Yeah.
So
So
then-
y is equal to 3.
Yeah. And then horizontal.
So y is equal to 3 is the horizontal asymptote.
And there's no vertical asymptote.
Yeah. And if they ask you to, there's no vertical
Because it's
asymptote.
minus.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now here your graph is going like this. See, zoom in. This is very badly zoomed out. Menu, zoom, 4,
3.
make it standard, 5. Yeah, let's see.
Hmm.
Now, if you graph, where is it gone now? When you graph y is equal to 3, okay, leave it then. You understood?
Yeah.
Okay, chalo. Try this.
Without calculator or you may use calculator?
You use.
Use right now?
Yeah. So do it. What's your horizontal asymptote?
1 second. Oh, horizontal asymptote?
First you get all that. Calculate is just for the shape that you see.
So first, since the denominator is greater than the numerator, it's 0. Oh no, that's for vertical.
I don't know. You should know.
Okay, wait. I need to equate the denominator equal to 0.
To get the vertical
To
asymptote.
get the vertical, to get the horizontal.
So if you make this equal to 0,
Yeah.
so no solution.
No solution. Yeah.
So no vertical
No
asymptote.
vertical asymptote. Then horizontal. You do if the denominator is greater. Yeah. If the denominator is greater than
It's like, it's like 0x square.
Then wait, why were you doing, remember, that's when it's the same power to
Yeah.
find the horizontal, then you do the numerator, the coefficient of numerator divided the coefficient of denominator for horizontal. Okay. Now I can graph this.
And what's your minimum?
-1.
So -1, 0 -1.
0 -1, yeah.
Okay, 0 -1. And it's coming like this and going like it should not be it's not very good.
Yeah.
It should
The curve.
the curve,
The curve, that's what matters.
yeah. And this is your horizontal asymptote. It has no vertical asymptote. Range?
Range, y cannot be equal to 0.
No, range.
Oh, yeah, sorry.
Range is from -1 to 0. Those
Oh,
are the y
right,
values
right,
it takes,
yes,
huh?
Yes. But it can't be 0. Right.
No, it can't be 0. It's a horizontal asymptote. No?
And range is y, right, okay. But it doesn't touch 0. But it's still included in the range.
So I'm writing y is less than 0. No? It's not.
Less than 0.
It's not. It's never equal to 0. This one. So horizontal asymptote. See, always make the denominator equal to 0. So you'll get the vertical asymptote.
So x -2.
Plus or minus 2.
Yeah.
Correct? So you do that. X equal to
Right.
plus 2 minus 2.
And you quickly just make that, yeah. Horizontal asymptote. You do
Horizontal
coefficient of numerator
Yeah.
upon, so -1 upon 1. So 1. -1. Yeah.
Correct?
Yeah.
Now sketch it. using your calculator.
Okay. What if you don't have your calculator?
Then you have to know calculus and all. That becomes too much.
Oh.
You can find the x-intercept and y-intercept and you can do it. So if you find out the y-intercept, you put x as 0. So 0 upon 0 minus 4, correct?
Yeah.
So basically 0. So x is 0 comma 0. It's passing through the origin. It will pass through the origin.
Okay.
Correct? How do you find out the y-intercept?
When x is equal to 0.
No, x-intercept?
When y is equal to 0.
Yeah, so 0, 0. It's passing through the origin. Now we wouldn't know the shape. Then, so you'll have to sketch it only. You have to know calculus to do that.
So you won't give any questions
No.
where it's like all graphing will be with calculus.
Yeah. Because you don't know calculus, no? Concave up, concave down, maximum, minimum and all you won't know. So that will come later. Don't worry.
Okay.
एक मिनट मैं जो आ जाए एक मिनट हाँ બહુ વધારે થાય છે મારે તો પછી ઓલું નથી નહીં પણ હમણાં તો કેટલું આપણે લગ્નમાં કેટલું ઓલું થઈ ગયું તો પણ બીજા બધા ખર્ચા થયા ને કેટલામી તારીખે જવાનું નહીં શિવરાત્રી 26 તારીખે છે ના મારે બે મિસ થઈ 24, 25 મિસ થઈ સ્કૂલમાં હવે મને નહીં આ વીક આ મંથમાં નહીં મને લીવ હવે ક્યાંથી મળે રશ્મિકા મારી સ્કૂલ થોડી જાય 3rd ને 4th ને 5th ની મેં રજા 3rd ને 4th લીધી હતી 5th હાફ ડે ગયો હતો એટલે એક મહિનામાં બે જ સીએલ મળે પણ બીજાનું ઓલું જો ને બીજા 10 જો ને જરા તો નહીં યાર જો બધામાં દેખાય હું હમણાં ક્લાસમાં જો પછી વાત કરી Yeah. So domain.
So domain x cannot be equal to -1.
Domain.
X cannot be equal to -2 or 2. I need to
range.
So I'm getting confused between the two. Y cannot be equal to -1.
Domain is the x values. No? What are the x values? You take the minimum and you take the maximum. X. Correct? Range?
X cannot be equal to -1.
Range is y. Y is not equal to -1.
Yeah.
Range is, domain is always in terms of x. Range is in terms of y.
Right. Same things.
Okay. Carton. A carton manufacturer has a large order of rectangular cartons, correct? Square bottom, so X is the square bottom. The volume of the carton is 6,000 centimeter cube. Find the equation for the outer surface area of the box.
So volume.
Surface equation of the outer surface area of the box in terms of X. So what does the volume be?
Volume is length
into breadth.
Yeah.
Into height.
Right.
So volume is 6,000.
Equal to x squared y. Okay.
So y is equal to what?
6,000 upon x squared.
Correct?
Yeah.
Now what is the formula of surface area? Bottom.
Bottom times length.
What is bottom?
X.
Arey, bottom.
Is it not X?
How X? X is the length. Area.
Area, okay.
What shape is the bottom?
It's a rectangle. So X squared.
It's a square. So X squared.
Sorry.
Plus.
Ajay,
is it open or closed carton? They haven't
it's
said that.
open. What's the dotted lines in the back?
That's the back it's showing. So top is also 2x squared. Top and bottom. So no, let's assume it's a closed carton.
Okay, you're using the bottom and the top.
Bottom and the top.
Okay.
Then what is the area of this rectangle?
X times Y.
How many such rectangles are there? Correct?
4. So 4xy.
So surface area 2x squared plus 4x. What's my y?
6,000 upon x squared.
Correct. Let's calculate.
Yeah.
So surface area is equal to 2x squared
plus 4.
6 4s are 24. 24,000 upon x.
Yeah.
Correct?
Yeah.
Sketch the graph. That's it. That's the surface area in terms of x.
Okay. So
Sketch the graph.
So calculator.
Calculator, yeah.
You can't without.
Huh?
Mine is zoomed in like properly, right?
Yeah, but you can't have negative. So this will go like this, it will come. Only the positive part you see, this part. But it's not showing the vertical asymptote. You know what is your calculator doing is combining the two, it's showing the oblique asymptote.
Yeah.
I mean oblique quadratic asymptote it's showing.
Is
so
there
G sol minimum, do G sol min. So you'll come to know.
Tab?
So yeah, I'm in 18.7. I'm getting 18.7. 18.2.
What did you do?
And 1981.
Oh, did you open a new tab?
No, nothing.
What did you do with the GSOL?
So if you take your window from 0 to 100 and 0 to 20,000 on the y-axis, you give it. So you have to do by trial and error.
Okay, so that's what I have to do on the summative. I'll have to find a good
trial and error. Find the dimension of the carton. So that means when your x is 18.2, x is 18.2, and what will your y be?
1981.
No, y is this then? Y was 6,000 upon 18.2 square.
So 9. Okay.
Correct, no?
Yeah.
That's also 18.1. It's coming. So equation of the vertical asymptote.
So vertical is 1 divided by 1. So 1. Oh wait, no. Vertical is 1.
You take the denominator equal to 0.
Oh, sorry.
Why you keep on forgetting?
I don't know. X squared plus 4x is equal to 0.
Correct?
Yeah.
X is equal to 0 or x is equal to minus 4.
Sorry, and then horizontal is 1 upon 1.
Horizontal is y is equal to 1.
Yeah.
X intercept. How do you find out the x intercept? Substitute y to 0. Correct?
Right.
So x squared plus 9 is equal to 0. Correct? So no solution.
Yeah.
So basically no x intercept. How do you find out the y intercept?
Y intercept, you
put x as 0.
X is 0. So 0 squared plus 9 is 9.
So that y-intercept, you put x is 0.
Right. So it's 9.
So no, you can't define it.
Right, yeah.
So no y-intercept is there. Correct? So no x-intercept, no y-intercept.
Mm-hmm.
So it has only two asymptotes.
At 0 and -4.
Zero and let's say -4. -4 here. Correct.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. It doesn't have any x-intercept.
Yeah.
It has a horizontal asymptote.
Mm-hmm.
Y is equal to 1. Correct?
Yes.
So graph it then. You understand?
Yeah.
If a function is a horizontal asymptote, then it also becomes the end behavior for the function. Because for the horizontal asymptote, as your x goes to infinity, correct?
Mm-hmm.
Your y will approach 1.
Right.
And similarly, your x goes to minus infinity, y will approach 1. So your horizontal asymptote becomes the end behavior.
Right.
That's what they say. If the degree of the numerator is higher, then the graph will have an oblique asymptote. Use your calculator to graph these rational functions. See if you can use the graph to find the oblique asymptote.
Equation, yeah.
Equation of the
so
oblique.
I know this.
But the algebraic method for finding the oblique asymptote involves long division. So do it. Let's see.
Which one should I do? Graphing or just long division?
Long division.
Right.
Yes, synthetic also you can do, no problem. So this is, you'll take 2, this will be 2 minus 3 minus 1. Correct?
Yeah.
So 2 2s are 4, 1, 2 1s are 2, 1. Huh?
Mm-hmm.
So y is equal to quotient. What's my quotient?
2 x, yeah.
Plus remainder upon divisor.
So then your asymptote is 2x.
So oblique asymptote is 2x plus 1.
Okay, that's cool.
Y is equal to 2x plus 1 is the oblique asymptote.
Okay.
That's a long division method to find oblique asymptote.
Would I have to find it by looking at the graph, or was I just
How will you find it? You can't find it by looking at the graph. No, you
Oh.
can't. He just says, I'll time pass.
Okay.
Because the point is they say, guess, do this, do you can't do what I mean. You won't get exact. Now, how do you know?
Right, okay.
So it's not possible.
I equate the domain.
Consider the rational function fx is equal to this, x square minus 2x minus 3, x square minus 4.
Mm-hmm.
Without using your calculator, find a domain.
Okay.
So basically get your vertical asymptote. Domain means you always have to think of the vertical asymptote.
So then you equate the numerator to 0.
No, yaar, you're forgetting. Denominator to 0.
Right.
You always make a denominator to 0 for vertical.
So I meant denominator.
So x is equal to plus or minus. So x is equal to 2 or x is equal to minus 2.
Yeah.
So what's my domain?
Domain is x cannot be equal to.
Yeah, so vertical is, you have to leave out the
2 or minus 2.
x intercept, y intercept. How to find the x intercept? Put y as 0.
Y is 0.
So 3 ones are correct. So x is equal to 3
or 1.
Or x is equal to minus 1.
Right.
How do you find the y-intercept?
Y-intercept, x is 0, so it is 0.
Minus 3 upon minus 4, correct?
Yeah. Minus 3 upon minus 4, yes. 3 upon 4. And then horizontal would be 1.
Horizontal?
Coefficient of numerator.
What's your answer? What will you write?
1 divided by 1.
So, you will get it wrong. You have to write y is equal to 1.
Y is equal to 1. Right.
You can't write 1 only.
Right.
Y is equal to 1.
Y is equal to 1.
Vertical asymptote?
We solved
We
it.
did that, no? Yeah.
You equate your denominator to 0.
Perfect.
Always.
Always. So vertical asymptote, you always do that.
Yeah.
Follow?
Hmm?
So you get all this.
Yeah,
I
I
mean, a
get
shape
it.
you won't come to know.
I just keep on forgetting the
Yeah.
vertical thing. I don't know why, but I get it. Yes.
Yeah. The figure below or here on the side shows graph of y is equal to 1 upon x squared.
Okay.
Find the equation of any asymptotes.
Okay.
So you have a vertical asymptote here.
0.
What's the equation?
Y is equal. X is equal to 0.
Does it have a horizontal asymptote?
I don't think so.
Yes, it has.
It does.
Yeah.
How do you know?
Yeah, it has. It does. So y is equal to 0. The x-axis is 0.
But how are you supposed to know that?
I mean knowledge.
No,
You
but
have to learn it up.
I just need to remember.
You need to.
Wait,
So y is
let
equal
me
to
see
1.
on my paper.
Use the transformation to sketch this graph, showing the new asymptotes. So now what will happen? So if we compare this with this, what has happened? How from this,
Okay.
how will you get this?
So translate horizontal translation 2 units to the right.
Okay, so 2 units to the right. If I do this,
Yeah.
correct? 2 units to the right.
And now 3 units up.
3 units up. And the
Yeah.
same graph you draw.
Same graph. What's the best way to do this? Just plot some points and then apply the transformation to them?
No, just the same graph you have. No, you shift the graph. That's it. No need of plotting any points. So y is equal to 3.
You just change the asymptote.
Bas, just change the asymptote and just draw. This and this.
Okay,
You can get the y-intercept if you want. If you put x as 0, you'll get the y-intercept. So 4 plus 3, correct? So 3 1/4. So this is like a 3 1/4.
Okay. Yeah.
You can get that. Hold on. Follow?
Yeah.
So your vertical asymptote is x is equal to
2.
and y is equal to 3 is your horizontal asymptote. Arey. Keep on going back. I don't know why.
One looks weird sometimes.
I'm trying to zoom in. It's weird sometimes, then it just hangs. Yeah.
Okay.
Consider the function y is equal to x squared minus 7x plus 12 upon x squared minus 9. Use rules without graphing
Okay.
to find the equation of the vertical and the horizontal asymptote. Come on, tell
So
me.
x squared minus 9 is equal to 0. So x minus 3 and so that's vertical. So y is equal to you write x squared